Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Limuel E. Hernandez, your Pinoy math teacher.
Ang tatalakayin natin ngayon ay kung paanong makukuha ang inverse ng one-to-one functions. Two functions are inverse if and only if every domain of one function can be found on the range of the other and vice versa. And their composition is always x. So, ibig sabihin yan, yung domain ng original function ay matatagpuan sa range ng inverse niyang function. At yung range naman ng original function ay siyang domain ng inverse function. Sabi pa dyan, their composition is always x. So, kapag n-replace natin yung x ng original function natin ng inverse niyang function, dapat ang maging sagot ay x. So, ang lahat ng ito ay posible kung ang pinag-uusapan nating function ay 1-to-1. The function f is 1-to-1 if for any x sub 1 and x sub 2 in the domain of f, then f of x sub 1 should not be equal to f of x sub 2. So, ibig sabihin lang yan, dapat hindi tayo magkaroon ng same y value for different values of x. Dapat ang function natin ay pasado sa vertical line test at horizontal line test. Find the inverse of the function f of x equals 4x plus 6 using table of values. Say for example, we have negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2 as our domain or input. Ang corresponding value niyan or yung output pag sinubstitute natin sa function natin ay negative 2, positive 2, 6, 10, and 14. Ang inverse niya ay ganito. So, kung mapapansin niyo ay ang domain ng inverse function ay yung range ng original function natin. At syempre, yung range nito ay yung domain ng ating original function. So, in short, ipag-switch lang natin ng pwesto. So, take note din na walang magkakatulad na value sa domain at range natin dahil ito ay one-to-one function. Find the inverse of the function described by the set of ordered pairs. So, given negative 2 and negative 5, negative 1 and negative 3, 0 and negative 1, 1 and 1, and 2 and 3. Dito naman ay isusulat natin yung inverse ng function gamit ang set of ordered pairs. So, katulad ng sa table of values, pagpapalitin lang natin yung ating x and y coordinates. So, ang sagot dito ay negative 5 and negative 2, negative 3 and negative 1, negative 1, 0, 1, 1, and 3, 2. Find the inverse of the function f of x equals 4x plus 6. So, para makuha natin yung inverse ng function na ito, meron lang tayong ilang steps na kailangang sundin. So, first step, so substitute y for f of x or replace natin yung f of x ng y. So, we have y equals 4x plus 6. So, next. Okay, napaka-importante nito. So, interchange x and y. So, lahat ng makikita nating y dito, kailangang palitan natin ng x. At lahat ng x na makikita natin dito ay kailangan nating palitan ng y. So, next natin gagawin, solve for y in terms of x or kailangan nating i-isolate yung y. Okay, so para magawa natin yan, kailangan nating i-transpose yung 6 sa kabilang side ng equation para maiwanan yung terms with y. So, ganitong kalalabasan yan. So, x minus 6 equals 4y. So, next, divide natin both sides by 4. Okay, so ang purpose natin ay para maiwanan yung y sa isang side ng equation. So, matitira na lang. So, x minus 6 over 4 equals y, or that is y equals x minus 6 over 4 using symmetric property of equality. Okay, last step na tayo. So, substitute f raised to negative 1 of x for y, or yung symbol natin para sa inverse function. So, we have f inverse of x equals x minus 6 over 4. So, final answer na yan. Next, we have f of x equals 2x minus 1. Okay, so first step, replace f of x by y. Okay, so y equals 2x minus 1. Next, interchange x and y. So we have x equals 2y minus 1. So next natin, solve for y tayo. So, pwede natin gawin dyan, transpose yung negative 1 sa left side ng equation. So we have x plus 1 equals 2y. So para makancel yung 2, kailangan mag-divide tayo both sides by 2. Okay, so we have x plus 1 over 2 equals 2y over 2. So cancel yung 2, giving us x plus 1 over 2 equals y, or that is also the same as y equals x plus 1 over 2. So final move natin. So replace natin yung y ng ating symbol para sa inverse. So final answer, f inverse of x equals x plus 1 over 2. Find the inverse of the function f of x equals 1 over x plus 1. Okay, so first step natin, replace f of x by y. Okay, next, interchange natin yung x and y. Okay, next, solve for y na tayo. So ito yung medyo complicated na step. So para magawa natin yan, gawin natin, tayo ay mag cross multiply. So pwede dito yung x times y plus 1. So x times y plus 1 equals 1. Okay, next, hindi na natin kailangang i-distribute yung x doon sa y plus 1. Ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin both sides by x. Kasi hindi naman natin kailangan yan dito sa left side. So divide natin both sides by x. Okay, so cancel yung x dito sa left. So we have y plus 1 equals 1 over x. So next, para maiwanang nag-iisa yung y dito sa left side, kailangan nating ilipat yung 1 doon sa kanan. So we have y equals 1 over x minus 1. So final move natin, replace y with f inverse of x. So we have f inverse of x equals 1 over x minus 1. So final answer na to. Find the inverse of the function f of x equals x plus 2 over x. So first move natin, replace natin yung f of x ng y. So we have y equals x plus 2 over x. So next natin, lahat ng y papalitan natin ng x at lahat ng x papalitan natin ng y. So we have x equals y plus 2 over y. Okay, next natin, solve for y tayo. So para matanggal yung denominator, mag-cross multiply na tayo agad. So we have xy equals y plus 2. Okay, next, pagsamasamahin natin lahat ng terms with y. So pwede nating ilipat yung y na nandun sa kanan dito sa left. So we have xy minus y equals 2. Okay, next, factor out natin yung y dito sa xy minus y. So we have y times x minus 1 equals 2. Okay, para ma-isolate natin yung y, divide natin both sides by x minus 1. Okay, so cancel yung x minus 1 dito sa left. So we have y equals 2 over x minus 1. So final move natin, replace natin yung y ng f inverse of x. Okay, so final answer, f inverse of x equals 2 over x minus 1. Find the inverse of the function f of x equals 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 4. So first step, replace f of x with y. So we have y equals 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 4. So next, interchange x and y. So we have x equals 2y plus 1 over 3y minus 4. Okay, next natin, solve for y na tayo. So cross multiply. So x times 3y minus 4 equals 2y plus 1. So dito, kailangan nating i-distribute yung x doon sa 3y minus 4. So para madali nating mapagsama-sama lahat ng terms with x at lahat ng terms with y. Okay, so we have 3xy minus 4x equals 2y plus 1. Okay, so ang kailangan natin dito sa left side, lahat ng terms with y. So, lahat ng terms without y, ilipat natin doon sa right side. So, yung 2y lilipat natin sa left, yung negative 4x ililipat natin doon sa right. So, we have 3xy minus 2y equals 4x plus 1. Okay, next, factor out natin yung y. So, we have y times 3x minus 2 equals 4x plus 1. So, next move natin, divide both sides by 3x minus 2. Okay, so cancel na yan. So, matitira na lang y equals 4x plus 1 over 3x minus 2. And final answer natin, f inverse of x equals 4x plus 1 over 3x minus 2. Find the inverse of the function f of x equals x cubed minus 2. So replace f of x with y. So we have y equals x cubed minus 2. Next, interchange x and y. So we have x equals y cubed minus 2. So next, solve for y na tayo. Transpose natin yung negative 2 doon sa left. So we have x plus 2 equals y cubed. Okay, pwede rin yan isulat as y cubed equals x plus 2. So, using the symmetric property of equality. So, kailangan nating matanggal yung exponent na 3 doon sa y. So, para matanggal natin yan, kailangan nating kuhanin yung cube root ng magkabilang side ng equation. So, we have cube root of y cubed equals cube root of x plus 2. So, cancel na yung exponent ng y na 3 at yung index na 3. So, matitiran lang ay y. So, we have y equals cube root of x plus 2. So, final answer natin, f inverse of x equals cube root of x plus 2. Find the inverse of the function f of x equals cube root of x plus 2. So, kung mapapansin niyo, ito yung answer natin sa previous example. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging inverse nito. So, first move, replace f of x with y. So, we have y equals cube root of x plus 2. So, next, interchange x and y. So, we have x equals the cube root of y plus 2. So, next natin, solve for y na tayo. Kailangan nating mailabas yung y na yan dyan sa cube root. So, para magawa natin yan, kailangan nating kuhanin yung cube ng magkabilang side ng equation. So, we have x cubed equals the cube root of y plus 2 raised to 3. So, cancel yung 3. Ang matitiran lang dito. So, x cubed equals y plus 2. So, madali na yan. So, transpose natin yung 2 doon sa left. So, we have x cubed minus 2 equals y. Or pwede rin siyang y equals x cubed minus 2. So, final answer natin, f inverse of x equals x cubed minus 2. Determine if the given pair of functions are inverse. Ang concept na gagamitin natin para ma-check kung ang inverse ng function f of x ay negative x plus 4 over 5 ay composition of function. So, kung saan, i-evaluate natin yung ating function at x equals f inverse of x, or in this case, ang gagamitin natin ay negative x plus 4 over 5. Gamit ang function f of x equals negative 5x plus 4, replace all x's by negative x plus 4 over 5. Then, simplify. Kung mapapansin niyo ay pwedeng ma-cancel yung 5 dito. So, we have f of x minus 4 over 5 equals negative 1 times negative x plus 4 plus 4. So, distribute natin yung negative 1 sa negative x plus 4. So, f of x minus 4 over 5 equals x minus 4 plus 4. So, negative 4 plus 4 is 0, kaya ang matitira na lang ay x. So, ibig sabihin, tunay ngang inverse niya yung negative x plus 4 over 5. So, try naman natin i-substitute yung negative 5x plus 4 sa x ng kanyang inverse. Gamit yung kanyang inverse function na negative x plus 4 over 5, papalitan natin yung x nito ng negative 5x plus 4. So we have f inverse of negative 5x plus 4 equals negative of negative 5x plus 4 plus 4 over 5. So distribute muna natin yung negative sign. So we have 5x minus 4 plus 4 over 5. So, cancel na yung 4 sa numerator. Ang matitira na lang, 5x over 5. So, cancel yung 5. So, final answer natin, x. So, ibig sabihin, talagang sila ay inverse. So, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Sana ay marami kayong napulot na bagong aral.